Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Oh my god, I look like a lion. My hair is like extra big and poofy today. Like, do you guys see this insane big hair? I didn't put anything on my hair. I only put heat protectant, but other than that, nothing to style my hair. These are my natural curls, and today I'm gonna get my hair super straight. So this video, I know I always say this, but this video is like very exciting because I am going to compare the amazing GHD Glide, which I love. If you haven't watched the video where I test out the GHD Glide on curly hair, go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. GHD loves that video, so thank you guys so much for the support and for sharing the video, for commenting, liking, watching it. Thank you guys so much. They were actually kind enough to send me a GHD Platinum straightener. Oh my god, thank you GHD for sending me this. I can't believe I got this. Like, what? This retails for $250. So thank you so much for sending me this. I can't wait to try it out. I'm gonna do one side with the GHD Glide. I love this so much. So it's gonna be very hard to compete with this, but I mean, all GHD products are like amazing. But anyways, and I'm gonna do the other side with the GHD straightener. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair up one side. Okay, so I turned it on. It's warming up, it's blinking. It only does one heat setting, which is fine. That heat setting is perfect. It's all I need. It leaves my hair super straight very quickly. I love this tool. Okay, so it is warmed up, so let's do this. I'm just gonna show you guys how this works. I've used it so many times and I love it. I pretty much just glide it down my hair. I just glide it, and as you can see, with one pass it is pretty straight. But let me do one more just because I like it to be super sleek and very straight. So yep, that's all I need. That's all I need. Very straight. Didn't even take me a minute. I'm gonna do this side and I'll be right back, and I'm gonna start timing it actually. So let me start the timer right now. Okay guys, so here is the GHD Glide side. As you guys can see, it looks very straight, very sleek. I mean, let me just show you guys this before and after right now real quick, side by side, because it's just insane. It's pretty incredible. So this is my natural curly hair, as you can see. Very big, very poofy, and then the GHD Glide got it this straight, which is crazy. So one thing that I do have to mention is that the GHD Glide does pull your hair a little bit, so you really gotta make sure that you detangle your hair like before every single section, because if not, it will pull your hair a little bit. Brushes just sometimes pull your hair, so you really gotta be careful, and you gotta make sure that you detangle very well, especially if you have very curly hair like mine. But yeah, as you can see, before and after, the ends don't look, you know, super nice or anything. They're just kind of straight, a little bit of a bend, but this works a lot better than other brushes that I have used. Like some other brushes, just like the shape of them, it's just so hard to do something to the ends. It's just so hard to even just give it a little bit of a wave. So I actually timed how long it took me to get my hair this straight with the GHD Glide, and it actually took me about 18 minutes. So that's not bad. That's actually very fast for me. That's very fast. It would take me about 35 to 40 minutes to get my hair completely straight in total with the Glide. And with a lot of other tools, I have a lot of hair and it's kind of long, so it does take me at least 30 minutes every single time to get my hair straight. So now let's open the GHD Platinum Plus. This is a 1-inch straightener. I love GHD packaging. It's just like so elegant, so bougie. It has like this magnet when you open it. It's amazing. I love it. So, ooh, this is what it looks like. Oh my god. So this also, like the GHD Glide, is only set in one heat setting. So the heat setting for this is 365 degrees Fahrenheit. This looks so cute. Look at this hinge right here. It's so unique. I love it. Oh my god, that scared me. That scared me. Okay, so that's the sound that it makes when you turn it on. What was that? So that's the sound that it makes when it is ready to use. So wow, that heated up in like less than 20 seconds. That was insane. That was so quick. So I'm going to comb my hair, make sure there's no knots. Okay, so oh, that feels so smooth. Absolutely no pulling. Whoa. Whoa. It got it pretty straight. So with one pass, it's already like very straight. But let's do one more because it's not completely straight, you know. So I like how you can touch this and it's not like hot or anything, so you're not gonna burn your fingers. Wow, that's very nice. Look at that shine. It looks shiny. It looks very, very nice. Yeah, I feel like I don't even need another pass. This straightener is insane. It's really nice. Okay, so one thing that I love about 1-inch straighteners, and if you guys didn't know this already, you can curl your hair with this. You can create curls with your 1-inch straightener. I know most of you know that already, but I figured I would tell you guys because some people don't know. But I'm going to show you guys how you can get a curl with this. So I'm going to flip the straightener and I'm just gliding it down. And check this out. Look at this nice curl. Ta-da! There's like this bounce, this curl. You see what I'm saying? I love that. That's so cute. So far, I'm loving this. I already know that this is gonna be like my go-to straightener. Like, I'm gonna use this all the time. I'm gonna use it to curl my hair, to get it straight. I'm just so excited and I'm so happy that this was sent to me. Like, I'm just so grateful, so happy. Oh my god, can't believe it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm gonna start the timer right now so you guys can see how long it takes me to do this side. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm done with my hair. So I am done with the straightener side. This is what it looks like. I mean, wow, look at that shine. So now when I compare it to the GHD Glide side, this is what it looks like. Also very shiny, not as sleek. I would say that this side has a little bit more volume. If you like really look at it like side by side, I do feel like this side looks a little bit more sleek than this side. But I also do love how this side looks, because if you guys remember the before shot, I mean, I had a big poof. My hair was very big, very curly. So I mean, I think it got it actually very straight for how it was before. Something that I love about this straightener is that you can get really close in the roots. I really like that. So I feel like that was better than the GHD Glide, because with the GHD Glide it is a little bit harder to get in the roots. Also, oh, let me tell you guys how long it took me to get this side straight. So it took me about 19 minutes, so maybe a little bit longer, probably the same thing, but I do feel like this side looks more sleek than this side. Something that I love about this straightener, and just like other 1-inch straighteners, is that you can get different looks with this. You can get your hair straight, and then you can also curl your hair. So I love that about this. You know, comparing it to a brush, it's different in that way because you can't really get curls with this, but this is still amazing. I still love this. This helps so much with my ends to just really give it a little bit of a wave at the end. The GHD Glide, you can kind of do it not as much as with a regular straightener though. I feel like the GHD Glide, if you blow out your hair and you just want to quickly, you know, get it a little bit more straight, this is perfect for that because it's so fast. You can just like, it's like you're brushing your hair, you know. So this is amazing for that. Either way, these two are great. I love GHD. They have some amazing hair tools, and if I'm comparing this to other straightening brushes that I have tried, this is definitely on top. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite ones that I have right now. So let me know in the comments down below which side you like better. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.